Kara, it's again. Moyana umukijimi. Kuru ukijimi ka speed se long hore. The following day when you are recovering, your stomach hurts. You know what? At this point, I'm convinced that my car does not want to be fixed. I am convinced. Because what the hell? I just woke up. I have to head to work because they asked me to come and do something urgently. And then I get so check the plate number. And a number plate. I think it fell last night while I was driving back home because it was rainy and a bit windy, and I did not notice. Even when I parked Bushiru, I did not notice. And then now Kitama is the number plate. I feel like every time you look at something, something else goes wrong. I am now officially convinced. And the review mirror. We have a review mirror now. The truck driver, okay? Yo, I don't know. I hope it's not going to cost me an arm and a leg because everything about fixing a car is damn expensive. And trumps. The 2 nails chipped Mawani, and then I had to completely take off the gel, like remove the gel because I got the lining chipped. So now I have to come back and fix it. Oh, inginga zami ziningi, and I'm just a girl. Unboxing time. The first one is from Clicks. I told you guys I'll be ordering stuff from online without Tlapa. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna show you guys quickly, like I'm gonna show you guys the product, put music over it, and then I'm gonna come back and speak to you guys about the other stuff that I got from other stores because I went a little bit crazy. Why do I have underwear here? Oh, I bought underwear go Pick and Pay, and then I started wearing the other ones. But why didn't I take this one out? Weird. Let's do this unboxing. Let's unbox. Ayan. I'm obsessed with my teeth, okay? I didn't have night cream, now we do. I cannot find these in store at any Clicks. I will die on the hill of Vaseline. That's about it for the Lotsa Tlapa. Let me show you guys the other stuff that I got. I told you guys about the cotton pads, the tissue oil, the serum, and the underwear. Underwear. I got this Discovery box from Eden Perfume. It has 6 3 different scents. So it has obviously scents that are inspired by the originals. It has Madame Morozelle, I think that's how they pronounce it, by Good Girl by Carolina Herrera, Scandal by John Paul, or it has My Way Intense by Giorgio Armani, Cloud by Ariana Grande, Burberry by Burberry. These smell quite nice. I've already started using Cloud by Ariana Grande. It smells really nice. My brother was obsessed with it because I put it on yesterday. I went to Legit and lay by 2 dresses and sandals. You guys are going to see them next month because that's when I'm going to take out the lay-by. But otherwise, I bought this black long dress. It's like a bodycon situation. I'm sorry guys, I won't wear the stuff because I'm too lazy. This is what the dress looks like. In a this lining a white, and then it's very long. It has no slits, and then it has the lining again on the side, the white lining. You guys are just gonna have to wait until I post. And then I went to Com Books. I bought myself cards, 101 blessing cards. So just to cheer you up when you're feeling down. This was 89, so 90 rand basically. And I got myself the book, guys. I got the book. I got myself this book. Do you guys remember I told you guys that I was watching Tucci's vlog? She mentioned on her vlog about this book, so I went ahead and got it. I had this book on my cart, and I'm kind of because I bought it at Com Books. I bought it for 160, as you guys can see, but on Take A Lot it's 104. So if you have a chance and you are interested in reading this book, the title is Habits of a Godly Woman. Just get it on Take A Lot. It's cheaper. And then I saw this from Lerato. What does she call herself? It's braided mommy. She calls herself Lerato something. Lerato Rasi something. She got this fresh face thingy from Pep. And this was 40 rand. So you see the stuff that you guys are buying on Shein, they're available from Pep. Although I don't like the fact that I'll show you guys what I don't like about the Pep ones, because that's Shein deflate. I don't like the way these things are. I wish give it flat like this. Do you guys get? But instead they are roundish nyana. But still who tiba metsi. When I'm washing, I'm gonna cut this tag off because what is this? Yeah, but I mostly want to use these. I'll probably use this a week because what the hell? Makes no sense. No sense. Make sense. So yeah, that's the stuff that I got. And I went on a little shopping spree and went a little bit crazy, and now the money is finished. So yeah guys, I hope you guys are good. By the way, if you're new on this channel, welcome to Diary of a Kasi Girl. No ways, why am I telling you guys my first name? Hi guys, I'm Becca. Welcome to Diary of a Kasi Girl. Woo! So yeah, no, I'm not putting these back. I need to pack them. Literally, I bought everything. Then I'm like, I'm gonna unbox with you guys, and then that's when I'm gonna pack everything. So today is the day. Today is the day. Yes, obsessed. This is going to finish my money. This. Also, I'm not sure. Did you guys see on social media about this Magnolia tissue oil from Clicks? I love it. It's so between thick and runny. It's not that, well, when I had Clicks, the Magnolia, the one that we all love, the Bramley one, it's runny. But this one, in a level, but not really. Like, I don't know what it is, Gayona, but I love it. Skin in Saga, it lasts. It lasts. I will never stop using the Bramley because good tradition, man. But this is the jam. If you want to try out another tissue oil, try this one out. And HEP, it's like what? This 100 ml scheme. How much is it? Oh guys, it looks like I don't have the slip. Ukari slips, I think it's like here, but I think it's around 19 rand or 20 rand or something like that. I think it's like here. Sorry guys. I'll see you guys. I'm gonna make the Millennium Mom's famous dish. Okay, I'm gonna make baked potato. Baked potato. I'm gonna make that, and then I'm gonna make it with chicken breast and some broccoli on the side. Broccoli. Ooh, I sound like bale. Mama, it's not broccoli, it's broccoli. Ooh, I forgot to show you guys this dress that I got from Mr. Price. It's a very long dress. It's giving also Mukholo vibes, but That's the type of style that I want to go for. And you clap, yeah, that's the vibes. I got these items the time I was looking for a tote bag. And then I got these shorts as well. They were on sale. I don't remember what the name of it. This is the tote bag that I told you guys about. I'm not sure if you remember. This is from Mr. Price. I saw this from Chikari. I need to buy an organizer for this bag. I remembered about these items because Kibiziki will drop, and then I'm like, I got stuff and I didn't show you guys. Do you guys remember when I told you that I have a problem with buying things and not wearing them? Price tag. Taste drink, influenced by Auntie T. Oh my nails. First taste, cling cling. It's not bad. This is for people who don't like sugar. I prefer the Kanagini Lamo something. The JC Lou. This one has close to no sugar. So if I already took it, this is for you. Not my cup of tea. I'm in between. Like kirata tukire, but not too much sugar. And then I give it like brute, like blunt. No, I can't. So I've been cleaning, like I'm not done, I'm left with this section here, I'm kitchening, and I have peeled the potatoes, like all the ingredients, the potato, the mushroom, the onion, and then my meat is also marinated. I don't know how to say that word properly. I have to say it in my head before I can literally say it with my mouth. Guys, namapiwaka old school ne. Basically, when it comes to dijo tse itseng, I taught myself how to cook. My mom just taught me the basics, and then after that, so that's why my cooking is very teka-teki, and I don't like cooking. That's why it's not really improving as fast as it should be. But the main ingredients, montuing ena, the potatoes, the onion, the mushroom, fresh cream, and what do you call this? Cheese. Amanda uses mozzarella and I think it's a cheddar or gouda. I'm not sure, but I think I have cheddar. So I'm going to use mozzarella and cheddar cheese. So yeah, the spices, I'm going to use the spices that I have. I will show you guys like if it's up. Yeah, I'm not going to show the process of me cooking. Because plate one. You guys know the situation with the stove. So I will see you guys at the end. Give it yum na chef baker. You guys believe in me because I believe in myself. I think this dish is going to bang. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried cooking baked potatoes. Yeah, if it comes out nicely, this is going to be my new favorite meal because it's so easy. Like I complicated, it's straightforward. So let me get to it. Refreshing's like nothing on earth.
The thing about living intentionally is that it takes work, planning, and effort. Nobody will do it for you. It's not an aesthetic and it's not something mystical. It's hours spent thinking about who you are and who you want to be. It's sitting with yourself at different points to plan your time and how you'll use it. It's facing the uncomfortable truths within and feeling the emotions you don't want to feel. It's delaying gratification. It's showing up and playing the long game. It's knowing that no one is coming to save you and acting accordingly. It's building structures into your life so you don't constantly want to escape from it. Now, you may have been dealt different cards than someone else, and you may even deem it easier for them to be able to play their cards, but nonetheless, you have to play the heck out of yours. Play like your life depends on it. Love, Marby.
I'm having yesterday's leftover. So there's one thing that I realized. My mom says that I was supposed to buy fresh cream instead of full cream. So that's a lesson for next time, just to make sure that the sauce thickens. Yeah. Otherwise, I killed this dish. My brother doesn't enjoy broccoli, but because of the combination of the food, he ate all of it. So call me Chef Eka. So right now I'm gonna add more cheese because I'm not gonna like cheese, guys. And then warm up the food and also eat. I made some for mom as well so that she can eat. She's currently getting ready to go to church. So I'm also watching. Who's watching Fast 5? I know by the time you guys watch this vlog, but comment down below and let me know if you watched Fast 5. The male teams, we are new with the male teams. Give me more cheese. More cheese, more cheese. Redoing the nails. Hopefully this time they'll come out proper. This side didn't give me a problem. This side is a side that was giving me problems. It had too many chips and was just not coming together. My shape doesn't make sense, but it don't need to make sense. I'm always trying. Hey, guess what? It matches with my nails. Stunning! I'm left with this. And the other side I haven't started. Let's see if we're going to enjoy this or not. First sip. My lips are dry. So yeah, clean thing. It's definitely low in sugar. The way I can tell, but it's not the normal cranberry that I'm used to. It's okay. If I wanted something with sparkling, I wouldn't mind having it. The sugar is quite high, even though it says lower in sugar. Next time I'm gonna buy the normal cranberry and then check parking and nutrition's what the label that's behind. I'm gonna check it, comparing it with this one. But otherwise, I like it. Definitely would buy it again. I didn't like it continuing if it is a manala. I have nail polish on my skin here, but otherwise, 8. My Gani is making for me. The house is clean. Now we eat. Banana, blueberries, apple, pineapple, spinach, strawberries. I don't know what we want to call this one. What do you guys want to call it? Comment down below what we should call this smoothie. I hope it's nice. I hope it's going to be nice. A smoothie must be thick. Must be thick and njengomntwana. Oh yeah. She doesn't look that appetizing, but let's see what she tastes like. Taste test. Cheers. Thick. Thick, thick, thick. It's even so hard to pull. It's nice, but next time I need to put in 1 tablespoon of honey because I feel like there's a lot of sugar. I put in 2 this time. It's the one. It's about to get down. In a minute. Do you guys remember the book that I bought? Habits of Being a Godly Woman? My mom was like, come on, Mama, I wanna get a book, I think. And then she's like, I'm gonna read it first, you read it after. So basically she's reading it now. I'm gonna read it after her. I'm about to polish my boots because I didn't do that last night. So body polish alone for an hour to get clean. Go take a bath and then take a nap because it's never over at all. So I need to nap before I can go in for my shift. Today we're going in 4 o'clock. So by 3 I need to be ready. So yeah. One thing about running and exercising, you get hungry. This is my second refill of the day. Before I get married, I at least 3 of this. Good afternoon, guys. I am in my work garments. Like, guys, Mama can't just take it away because she wanted my phone. She actually took it in for repairs. This is the other phone that I use. So I woke up, took a bath. Oh, I cleaned before getting and then right now I'm in my work garments. And today, the scent of the day, it's a you guys know these. I showed you guys these, right? These are the perfumes that I bought from Eden Perfume, the Discovery box. Today gets a Stiletto, which is a scent similar to Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. So yeah, this is the one that I have on today. Yesterday gets a Madame, which is a scent that is similar to Coco Madame Roselle by Chanel. I like the scent, but I feel like with my body chemistry, it doesn't last too long. It smells nice. Like after a couple of hours, it stops smelling too I have a strong, it was sweet. So I don't know. I guess give me so I already know. I think this is going to be if you last the air Carolina Herrera, because I've always loved Good Girl. This is going to be one of the scents that I buy. Another one, Gay Cloud by Ariana Grande. So yeah, guys. Yo, negite puditso hore. Ke tlo tsoga ke tlhape ke robalenyana, but nako o ka re yang better. So I think I'm just gonna go make coffee and then have myself a cup of coffee. Take my vitamins. I have them in this little container. And then, yeah, just wait for 2:30 so that I can get dressed to get ready for work. Today is a Monday. And my shift starts at 4 o'clock. But you know what? Job get job. So let's go make coffee. Oh yeah, before this I was watching Naila K's vlog. And I haven't gotten the time to catch up on other creators. Like they've been posting. And I can on YouTube. Guys, I feel like, oh my goodness, I forgot this. Mabani. Ka upload a VLOGMAS upload a vlog. Let's go chat about this while I'm. As I was saying, guys, mabani nigile mwanyana oga upload a vlog. Well, it was already uploaded, but like I put it on. I scheduled it for 5:30 instead of 5 because I had to edit a couple of things, and I did that while I was at work, so I didn't want it to go live while it's in a So fine, ka edit. Guys, okay, 5:30 it goes live. Mama, 6:15 there are no comments. I'm like, how? What's going on? There are no comments on this vlog. Hey, Kir, check the settings. The comments are turned off. Because the more people comment and like your vlog, the more it's recommended to other people. And some people want to boring like comment, and I never do that. Like I get along no hira hetsing. Get namole get change get chuma or but comment that they comment. After an hour, I go on my phone and then I check. When I check, the comments are off again. I'm like, YouTube is playing with me. Like I spend close to maybe 3 hours in between checking if my comments are on or off, and I was just battling for my life. Yes, it messed up with my engagement, but at least the vlog is live. And Kausani, I need to start editing another one. Tomorrow is going to be a Tuesday. I need to start editing another vlog and close this one off. Malaka abotoko like mabane agetalo because I didn't do any core exercises. I didn't do anything. I just ran. So Malaka like he get this, he gets here. Abotoko hore kara it's again. Moyano umugijimi. That is what was going on in my head. I'm like, the following day when you are recovering, your stomach hurts. Shame. And PC I was on fire. Anyways, guys, while I'm busy making coffee. And if I finish quickly, I can manage to squeeze in some time to take a nap. Guys, trust me, I can even sleep for 15 minutes. I'm a pro like that. Like, and I don't think just because I'm having coffee, I'm not gonna sleep. I'm gonna sleep like a little baby. Ice, cinnamon, that's the only thing that's missing. Lona. See, it's Tuesday afternoon. I just woke up. It's literally quarter past 3. I just woke up and I decided to come to my mom's bedroom because I wanted to start cleaning and look. At some point, we knew that the ceiling was leaking. Not the ceiling. We knew that the roof was leaking, but we sorted it out. And then now, pula in a different direction, and then now it's leaking again. And the thing that sucks is that roof didn't get bored. So once it starts getting wet, it's over for us. So basically, it is over for us. Yeah, so here's the thing. Let me try to explain what's going on with the roof situation. So lighting is bad, so I cannot sit on the bed. So initially, when we started the project, the roof was done by the previous contractor, right? And then we relay, and then and then we tried finishing it ourselves. This is proof that we failed. So now we need to get someone to come and redo it. I've been telling my mom, or rather, she get someone to come and do it, do the right thing, which is going to cost us more money, which basically is the same thing that is going to happen now. We're going to spend more money because of this lesson. And then again, until Baba show her like who any leakage or not. But they did this while I was in college. But anyways, we're not gonna go on the I told them it does not matter, we are here now. So this is not the only spot that is doing this. Basically, where mohai flat roof because the person that did the flat roof did not finish. That project was not finished. So I think we need to cough up some money and just come get a professional. Not that we haven't been doing it ourselves. We've been getting people to come do it for us, but they don't know how to do this type of roofing. So yeah, I'm just sad that we're gonna have to come and redo this thing over again. Oh. Imali, guys, Imali is yeah, that's a bummer. Anyways, I'm gonna close off this vlog because I need to clean and I need to get ready. 4:15, I need to get ready for work. I'm so bummed that I'm ending this vlog at such bad energy vibes, like low vibes. But throw the stones, throw the lemon, or doesn't really lemonade. Unfortunately, lemonade or not, it costs the chicken. Like, I don't know how to get lemonade is a costing thing. I'm just asking. Yeah, guys, I regularly water. Because that's what I get. And I don't know because nago e tlo mpeta if ke re ke a robala then ke tlotsa ma ke sa kolomaka. And one must die. You cannot just wake up, get ready and go. You either need to clean or you need to cook. You need to pick a struggle. So I taba ya roof nne stress, guys. Yeah, hi Shem. And mamulu ke ste phone ya ka mabane. Can you guys see? Phone. Now it's all good. Oh, I have to call Leroy and find out about my refund. Because chalata thing and I shiva yanya ke horridu ki sedilo. Oh, guys, I did type whatever it is that you want to type. Yeah. Vlog e fela snacks cause gine stress. Woo! And if I'm feeling this way, I wonder how my mom is feeling.